Well, good afternoon, everybody. And just wanted to give you a little quick update here on what we're doing on Brass Ring here. We got our solar panels installed here last week, and we built a stainless steel frame for them to sit on. And we've got three eco-worthy panels, and they 195 watts each. And they are bifacial. Not sure how much advantage that's going to be, but I do like what I'm seeing with these panels. They also have a added feature of acting as shade on top of the cabin top. Gives us a little shade. And I'll tell you what, in the summertime it is really hot on these boats. Got a little bit of wiring I've got to tidy up there, but you can see if you look close, there's a little nylon spacer that I added right there. A little nylon spacer that isolates the stainless from the aluminum to keep, cut back and combat that galvanic corrosion. But anyway, let's look inside here for a second, and I'll show you what we got going here. Alright, so the wire comes in here. I've got these panels hooked up in series, so I've only got one wire coming through the deck, and that wire is right here. This little cover is actually going to go over that and dress it off real nice, so that'll keep any leaks from getting inside the boat. But here you can see what I've got here is a solar panel cutoff switch. So you can turn the panels on, you can turn the panels off. And where those holes are back here, on the other side of this bulkhead, is where the all the main electronics are going to go. The charge controller, the links distributor. I'm going with Victron products. So we're going to have the 100/50 MPPT smart charge controller that's got Bluetooth, and then we're going with the links distributor. I just really like that concept of the bus bar all built in with fuse holders and so forth. And then of course we've got our big batteries. They're going in. I've got a pair of 280 amp hour eco-worthy lithium batteries, and so anyway, that's going in there. And so that's where the solar is going to live, and it's above the waterline, way above the waterline actually, and it's kind of separated from the engine room space, so hopefully we won't have much issue with heat, Now, where these two holes are right there, I'm actually going to modify that, and the installation of the Lynx distributor, where I can turn the switch off from the inside of the cabin, and the distributor and the rest of the gear will actually be on the other side of that bulkhead. It's just by flipping things around. But anyway, that's a little whatever, little quick look. And then before too long, we'll start wiring our gauge panel distribution center. So here's all our junk and stuff. Now, take a look here for a second. This little cutoff switch fuse type of setup I bought. It's only 13 bucks. But I've used this company before on different applications, a different project. And I wanted to use this, was planning on using this, but it was just not beefy enough. So that's why we ended up with this bad boy over here. This has a on and off. It's much more durable. So we'll see how that works out. All right, guys, you have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.